What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's Monday morning. We're doing an AC diagnostic on a, what does that say? I can't even see it. Oh, 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6. So we verify internal functions first, and then we recover it. It was 0.36 of a pound low. Someone already has dyed the system. And what I found so far is this is leaking, which is the service port in here. So we recovered what was left, replaced the service port here. Now we have it on a 10-minute vacuum. But some of the most common overlooked things that I find, one is the valve stems that go into service ports leaking, especially if you don't know how to get this to do-it-yourself cans on there. Sometimes you're creating more of a problem. Also, low cooling system. So if your engine is low on coolant and not overheating, the temperatures of the radiator giving off the thermal heat could make your air conditioning performance less as well. You do not want to check a radiator when it's hot. A lot of people think that the overflow bottle is your radiator. That's just the expansion tank that moves coolant back and forth. It should never be empty. So if you have a surge tank, which kind of looks like a coolant bottle with a radiator cap, chances are that's how you fill your cooling system. But I always like to look inside the radiator exactly when I'm doing cooling system work or air conditioning work and see exactly what you have inside. And that's exactly what you want to see. And you'd be surprised, 20% of coolant loss in your radiator puts a world of thermal heat on your air conditioner system, and also your engine temperatures run hotter, which all affect your AC cooling performance. Thanks for watching.